As a rule, thermo wells are extremely durable. Under unfavorable conditions, however, they can oscillate due to the Kármán vortex street and, in extreme cases, tear off. To prevent this, wake frequency calculations are nowadays part of every design of an industrial plant. The most important global standard for this is the American ASME PTC 19.3 TW standard. In approximately 1/3 of the cases, there can be a negative result in the calculation. Here, changes in the thermo-well design are necessary. Basically, there are two ways to optimize the strength of a thermo-well. On the one hand, the insertion length below the process connection can be shortened. On the other hand, it is possible to increase the root or tip diameter of the stem. In most cases, the changes lead to a positive calculation result. However, the possibility of shortening and reinforcing the stem dimensions is limited by various parameters, such as nozzle dimensions or minimum insertion lengths. Thermo-wells in scruton well design offer an alternative, not only in this case. Due to the helical design, the medium is routed in such a way that no Kármán vortex street can develop, even at critical flow rates. The installation of a scruton well thermo-well is just as easy as with traditional thermo-wells. Scruton well thermo-wells have proven their effectiveness, both in laboratory tests and also in many applications in practice. Contact your WICA representative for advice. We will be happy to help you with your planning.